Right, this is done. Engine's out, gearbox is out. As you can see, the engine bay needs a tidy up, and that's what's going to happen. Battery tray is going to come off because the battery is going to go to the boot. This car's running triple Webers, and we're going to take the heater box out and clean up all of that behind the back of it as well. We'll leave the wiper motor in, maybe, might take it out, we'll see how we go. Bonnet hinges off, and then just pull out some more bits and pieces tomorrow, get this ready for going up to the paint shop where they will take it all back and then they will repaint it. So stay tuned. There's a fair bit of work that will happen with this one, but it won't take too long. I'm estimating 2 to 3 weeks and it'll be back on the road. Cheers.